I don't know how this thing is supposed to work, really. Whoa!
That's pretty cool. Won't flood your house.
This thing is good.
Yeah? Yeah. Alright, let's see. Let's see what's in there.
Welcome to Kids Adventures with Sweetie Fella Aleks. You got it. There's definitely some assembly. Oh, look. Complete, look.
Water plug. You got detergent.
Is that real?
No. Wow, you got a little scrubber.
Ooh, that is sick.
Pretty cool. Okay, dishes. They should have came up with more colors. Cause what? Boys, man do dishes too, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, not only ladies. Yeah. All right, let's see. Let's see what's in there.
Whoa. Some kind of pocket thing.
Oh, that's, what does mommy use that for? No, that's not for that. To pick up things?
Maybe clean?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah?
Look, and you can close it.
Yeah. I want to keep it clean. Faucet, yeah.
You're just gonna
Oh,
get
it's battery operated. We have to put some batteries in there.
definitely would make
Awesome. I'm gonna get some batteries. And
We got some choppers here. Got some great choppers. Whoa. And we got this.
Wow.
A chicken.
Chicken. Open it up.
Okay. This is big.
Yeah, what is it?
A backpack? No, not a backpack.
Ah. Okay. It's gonna be like little chicken helper.
Hi. I'd rather be called
No,
shark
put it on,
helper.
put it on.
Why can I not?
So it looks cool. What's it say?
I can see.
Happy every day you smile, I smile.
I'm gonna open the veggie bag. The veggie. We got fruits. Another fruit. No potatoes or anything. This looks like a lemon. We got a lot of fruits here. A lot of fruits. Let's cut this corner. Ooh, that was easy. Let's cut this out. Whoa! And you stick them right back together. Oh, like it.
Daddy poured water in the yellow tub, so now you have the water.
What do you do here?
I don't know. You see? Check it.
This thing doesn't. I don't know how this thing is supposed to work, really. Whoa!
That's pretty cool. You put the batteries in the faucet. It's like an electric faucet, almost like
Anything.
our own. Yeah. Look, and then you let the water go here.
Yeah.
And you can now check it out with washing items.
There it is. Okay, let's cut.
Maybe I poured too much water. Let me pour some.
No, that's enough water.
No, I think it's too much.
But it needs down here to put these strawberries. And this. And this. And this. That. And this. There, that's everything cut in. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna sip soap on me. I feel like I'm in the shower.
Okay, I think I got the perfect amount of water.
Yep, that's perfect.
Alright, perfect. This is super cool.
That's
Very
wash.
cool. I've never seen an electric faucet toilet like that. What are you doing? Washing.
Something. Lemon.
Lemon. Lemon squeezy lemon.
How's this doing it?
You got a battery in the faucet.
Yes.
And then the water faucet makes the water go up.
Hey, turn it off. I need the water to get out of it.
And then yeah, you can make the water go down and recycle it. That's super cool.
And then use it the same water.
And then use the same water because the water goes to the bottom. Now let's see what you do when you wash dishes.
Okay, let's see. Now let's wash this. This is definitely for mommy. Which could mommy gonna do?
Well, mommy, if you'll need an extra faucet, there you go. Hey, you're gonna start washing your own dishes after you eat.
Thank you.
Huh?
Probably I'm gonna open an animal teddy bear restaurant.
Yeah. The nice part is you still can't overflood it because you got the drainage hole.
Yeah.
Just like in a real sink.
Do you want me to get there?
Yeah, get there.
I'm gonna go to that.
Okay.
I hope we have enough water.
Won't flood your house.
This thing is good.
Yeah?
It's almost there. It's
Got an
almost
additional
there.
connection of your vegetables.
Daddy's almost there.
I know. And fruits. Out of water.
Aww.
And then what do you do again to recycle the water?
Quickly add some more in here. And
What do you do to recycle the water?
And we just put the drain and do this.
Yep. And watch it. It's gonna drain and the water will start
Taking it back.
coming out in a second.
And then that will be starting.
This works like the fish tank filter.
Daddy, can you get some more water in here? Like, just
I think we have perfect
No,
amount
I
of
just
water.
need you to fill this. I don't want to get there. I want to get there. See, please, please. Now see if we poured enough water to get to that mini. This. Like it's getting here ready. Put this here. And we just fill water.
Super, Alex. You can become a very good kitchen helper.
Daddy, we're almost even close. Take this stuff out. They're definitely clean. Yeah. Come on, we can make it. It's almost there.
The drainage. Alex wants to test out the drainage.
I don't think we got enough.
This hole will let water get back in to the bottom and not over flood it. Oh, you're right there.
Close to right there. We didn't make it.
I'll add you 2 more cups of water.
Yay! Now we're gonna make it. Yeah! Should we recycle and then do it again? Okay, we're doing it. Daddy, we're almost there. Yes! Yes!
Yeah!
Yes! It's going.
And it's not gonna overflood.
Now let's put everything back and recycle it. There we go.
So this is a very cool set, Alex. You can become mommy's helper. And what do we got here?
Carrot,
And
strawberry,
and a,
corn,
and a,
grapes,
and a
lemon,
lemon squeezy, and a half apple. Or no,
No.
actually, what is it?
and you know what we eat.
Green pepper.
I'm gonna dry my hands off because my hands are really wet. And that's how you be a sous chef.
The sous chef. Nice. Yeah. You want to be a sous chef? Don't brush your teeth.
Now, at a minute, we'll show you the changing color. This is to be changing, right?
Yeah, we're gonna check out how does the plates, I think it's the plates, how do they change color? Okay, so the water's gotta be a little bit warmer, and then we pour it.
Yeah,
It's gotta
just
be at
like
least,
the Hot Wheel cars.
Yeah, just like Hot Wheel
Depends on the coldness in the hot wheels.
Yeah, so we're gonna put some hotter water in, and we're also gonna mix it with normal water. And this should make
Nothing
it
is
warm
changing
enough.
for now.
There it goes.
Nope.
It turns lighter, yeah? Okay, so this time we have boiling water. See how the color change happens.
In the cup.
So let's go ahead and put the forks in.
I rather maybe this. It doesn't fit. Something. Wait, we need to keep it second.
Yeah, it's turning
White.
white.
Boiling water is hot enough to
Yeah.
change it white.
And then the blue turned white also.
Can we put the cup in? Let's try the cup. I put the cup in.
Careful.
That's deep enough. Turns white also.
Wow. So that's the color changing.
Now we can sip some of the water.
So you can clean with the pan.
Now we can put the water in there. Right?
Yeah, look at that, all white.
Now let's put the water in here.
All white.
Yep. Now let's put the water in
You
here.
want to put it in there? Just be careful.
Yeah, I can see steam.
Yeah.
Now the water needs to be away.